Hello, everyone. Welcome to another edition of the Hall of Healers interview. And today we have with me a VLSI engineer, Mr. Krishna Prasad. Okay, so Krishna Prasad came into my coaching system with issues of overthinking, and which has led to issues in his digestion, and which has led to issues in his mental health. All right. So today in this interview, we are really going to look at how Krishna Prasad has totally transformed in his health. What were the action steps he took? What was his journey like? We're going to really get deep into Krishna Prasad's transformation of his health. So, welcome Krishna Prasad to the Hall of Healers interview.
Yeah, thank you, Sachinji. So I'm blessed to be here. So
Awesome. You'd really deserve it, KP, for the kind of transformation you have brought in your life, right? So,
yes,
KP, tell me, what were your top challenges you were facing in your health before you joined the self healing challenge and my coaching? Yeah.
yeah. Hi everyone. So before I start this one-to-one call or the self-healing coaching, so I have the basically two major issues. Like one is the health issues and how I am thinking uh, my patterns, like thinking patterns, how it is affecting the health. So one is previously I faced the health issues, but continuous health issues leads to a change in the thinking patterns. Even though there is no problem with the physically, but mentally I'm thinking that I have some health problems. So
Mm.
so these two are the major concerns. Means overthinking that I have some problem and I'm creating the problem myself. So
Okay.
these two are the major things which I would like to overcome due using this guidance, one-to-one guidance from the Sachin.
Got it.
So
I got it, Krishna. What you said is you're facing the issues of overthinking, which you're creating problems for yourself, right? And
yes,
that automatically created your health problems, and you could see problems with stress, you could see
yes,
problem in your digestion. And
yes,
that's what you wanted to overcome when you came into the self in charge. I got it.
yes,
So many people out there working like you will have challenges on overthinking. They will have that challenges in their mental health, and really appreciate you for taking that help, right? So
yes.
KP, tell me what really motivated you to work with me. What really motivated you?
See, one thing which motivated me to take one-to-one call is suppose if I'm doing the only the Tuesday calls or the Saturday's calls only, whatever the people are sharing,
Mhm.
due to that sharing of information only, I'm getting something means improvements in my life.
Great.
But few people have shared that information that after taking one-to-one call, whatever the transformation they have achieved in their health or whatever the issues they have faced, that
Mhm.
motivated me that so if I take a one-to-one call, so that the kind of I can achieve that whatever the things I'm facing the problems, what are the
Mhm.
problems I'm facing, I'm able to achieve with continuous guidance and one-to-one information like information share. So that is what motivates me to take this one-to-one
Mhm.
sessions with you.
Got it. I got it, KP. So you got motivated by the transformation
Yes,
what people in my community in Self Healers Hub have
yes,
got after going through the one-to-one coaching, after going through the redefined and redeveloped self-healing challenge. I got that. I really got
yes.
that. And so tell me, KP, like what were your top transformations, right, in your health, right,
Hmm.
both physical and mental, you went through after completing the self-healing challenge, after going through this continuous coaching with me?
Yes. So actually, this is where the major points are there. So there are two areas which I concentrated main. One is the personal and professional, because
Okay,
one area is affecting on the second one. That is the vice versa.
got it.
So personally, what I concentrated is like daily I have to do the stretchings, like so where I feel happiness. So I have done the stretchings so that
Hmm.
where I can improve my health.
Hmm.
Okay, they where the stretchings I am able to do regularly.
Okay,
Okay,
good.
so that is one thing which I achieved.
Hmm.
And coming to my health, I have the overheat as my body is water and pitta, so I have the overheat concerns. So the following, whatever the suggestions given by the Sachinji, having coconut water before lunch and having oil bath kind of things. So which I have done regularly. Okay, so which has improved my heat, means uh, heat reductions in my body. That is one thing. So apart from that one, having the food, even though you are having the food at outside also, you should not do overthinking, so which creates any health problems. So before having any kind of foods, I'm not thinking too much about that. Okay, and I'm concentrating on the food while I'm having it. So
Awesome.
yes, so these are like a personal and professional. Coming to the professionals, which have major problem is like concentrating on the work without any diversions, the first thing. And when I was in 2019 or 18, I was very good at the work and I'm able to concentrate, but due to this health problems, my concentration has reduced. So and I'm not able to communicate with higher authorities also, not in a good manner. So these two things where I concentrated during these one-to-one sessions. First thing is, now I'm able to concentrate on the bugs where I have find bugs in my systems, and I'm able to concentrate on those things, and I'm able to achieve those things.
Awesome.
Okay, that is the first thing. Second thing is, now I'm able to communicate with other peoples, including clients or others also. So that area still is there, improvement is there, but I can say that compared to my before my one-to-one call sessions and now, where I can say that the improvements are very good.
Good, good.
So,
And what has that communication brought on to you, KP? Like what results did it bring to you by you
yeah,
communicating?
actually, first thing is, before going to any kind of meetings, I think that whether I'm not ready, or I didn't prepare well, because thinking that okay, they are already aware much ahead of me. That is where my thinking process will be. Instead of thinking that I can do whatever best I'm aware. Okay, instead of that, I'll think that okay, they are they are very knowledgeable more than me, like that. My thought process will be there. So what I've done, before going to any kind of things, I'm preparing what kind of information I have to share, and things I have to work out to have a good communications or the informations or the meetings to be happen in a well manner.
Nice.
So
I would say
that,
that would have brought some, change in the way your managers or your, management views you, and they would have, rewarded you appropriately. Yes.
yes, yes,
And
of course.
yes, and it
Yes,
would have also increased your income. It would also increase your job satisfaction, and it
yes,
would have also increased your happiness. Am I right?
yes, yes.
Mm.
Actually, which gives me that way in which areas actually I need improvements, so that in my career also it will be helpful.
Good.
So, and I'm able to set some free times also for the learning.
Okay. To improve your
That is
career, right? Mm.
improve.
Awesome. So that's a long list, KP.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
What I got from you is, when you came to the self-healing challenge and started getting transformed to the coaching, what you saw is one, your exercise and your physical activity became regular. You
yes,
started following the routine and taking the foods which helped you to balance your body type whenever it got imbalanced, and
yes.
then you started following the sleep, right? The
Hmm.
sleep as well, when you started following it at a regular place and not using too much of your digital devices in the
Yes,
night, and improved your sleep, and that also balanced your body and overheat as well, right? And in
yes,
the overthinking pattern, you broke out of your fear of eating little bit of outside food. What if I, that fear was gone from your, you know
yes,
system. And in the professional life, you became confident, you started speaking up, you broke, and your self confidence increased, you started enjoying work, your income increased, your
Yes.
happiness in job satisfaction has increased for you, right?
Yes.
And the way you have improved in your happiness and joy, right, by doing
Mm.
little exercises with us, right, and you making yourself like going to the kid with the park and really improved your joy. So essentially your quality of life has improved, am I right?
Yes. Absolutely.
and and you shared with me in the one-to-one coaching as well that there is a little bit of calmness,
Mm.
right? What do you mean by that? Can you explain, like, what is that meaning of
No,
calmness?
actually, previously, whenever I get health problem,
Mhm.
these two things are achieved in the personal life and professional. In the personal life, suppose if I got any health problem, the
Mhm.
way I think that it has become again and again the problems occur.
Mhm.
At the same time, in the professional also, if I get any kind of technical issues, first
Mhm.
I think that oh, again this problem has come. I cannot do this time like that again. But now I'm thinking, okay, it has come. What are the ways we can do it?
Awesome.
So
And
to
going into
overcome.
the abundance mindset.
Yes, yes,
Amazing.
yes,
Really. Then that is contributing to your overthinking getting reduced automatically, your stress reduced, your digestion is also increasing automatically.
yes,
Amazing.
yes.
Really, you just taking action. Amazing, Krishna. Really, I really acknowledge you for the kind of action you have took, and you have made it happen in your life, and you will
Thank
make
you.
it happen through this new framework which you have got. You will continue getting results,
Yes, Sachin. Yes,
right?
yes.
That's what
Thank
is
you.
there. You will continue that. I am 100% sure that after 3 to 6 months, when you
Mhm.
have done these kind of changes, you will keep continuing that. It's sustainable for life. This
Yes,
blueprint is for life for you. It's like a health blueprint for life. It's not just a 3 month diet or a 3 month coaching, right?
yes.
And that's so beautiful that you have said yes to your health. Amazing. So tell me, KP, after going through this coaching, after going through my courses, yes, in the self-healing challenge, what is that one biggest nugget which you have got, which you will follow for the rest of your life? So because many people say, you know oh, I don't have money to invest in my health, I don't have time, I'm so busy. Of course, I know you are also busy in your health, right, in your work as well. So people will say, I'm busy, I can't do this. So many doubts whether they can do it or not. So
Mm.
what is that one thing or one secret you want to share with everyone who is watching, Krishna?
Yeah. So actually, where my breakthrough has come before I start this self-healer sub also, I have so much of work, but my health is problem. So, but I cannot spend time. But
Mm.
one day I have taken decision. Okay, let me give some time for 20 minutes or 10 minutes time for a day or
Mm.
a 1 hour time, so that whether it will affect or not, I have got one thought process.
Mm.
There I have started my self-healer sub coaching. Means I have joined in this one. So before joining the self-healer sub, I have that okay, health will be like this only. We cannot spend time. Okay, it will become either worse or good based upon
Mm.
situations only, because I'm mostly concentrating on the work only. So
Mhm.
things will become automatically. That is my thought process.
Mm.
But later, after joining the self-healer sub, if you concentrate on these aspects for an hour time or half an hour time, suppose if for day, rest of your time in the day will be very good. Suppose if you concentrate for an half an hour for your stretching
Mm.
daily, rest of your time for you should not think about your health or physical fitness.
Beautiful.
So that is where one thing I got. And at the same time, if you concentrate on the minor things, suppose if you spend a video of 5 minutes, you'll get a good points in that 5 minutes video. And
Mm.
if you spend only the 5 minutes per day to follow that video, five
Mm.
minutes suppose drinking water 3 liters suppose.
Mm.
So 1 week if you continuously follow, you can habituate it.
Yes.
After 1 week, it is not a process or nothing. It is part of our life.
Mm.
So that is one nugget. Means if you follow for a week or a 2 weeks time, it is part of your life. It is not like a process or some activity you should not think. So that is what I learned from this self-healer song.
Wow. I really got it, Krishna. Really, I was moved by what, inspired by what you said. Like, if you give 30 minutes to 1 hour to your health, you
Mm.
don't have to worry for the next 23 hours
Yes,
for
yes,
your, health at all.
yes.
Really, that's so powerful. That's so simple, but so powerful, right? So if you give 1 hour, that 1 hour to learn to invest on your health, your meditation and stretching,
Mm.
full day is productive. And you are the live example right now is with increased income, increased confidence, increased happiness, and
Yes,
increased peace of mind and quality of life
yes,
just by following that one again.
yes.
And you're saying just if you follow like for 2 weeks, yes, it's possible.
Mm.
Your sleep is improved, everything is improved. You are not stopped using internet after 10 p.m. and your sleep has improved to many
Yes,
folds just because you made that action and you habituated it.
yes.
Amazing, Krishna, amazing. So guys, really get inspired by Krishna's journey over here of not having time, feeling busy always, and now to a person who is highly confident, become really his quality of life is good and he is having that inner calmness. Yes, and which the thing is when even Krishna Prasad didn't know that it's there inside him, and now he can see it, right?
Yes.
That's the power of coaching, and that's the power of the self-healing challenge. Okay,
Mm.
so you got to understand that your health is in your hands, like KP is telling each and every one, and how he's taken action. So if you're someone who's an action taker in your health, right, there's a link below to book a 15-minute slot with me. And let's have a click on that link and let's have a chat about your health. Okay, just click on that link and book your slot, and we can have a chat about your health and let's see how I can help you out, how we can help you out. And Krishna Prasad, welcome to the Hall of Healers and congratulations.
Thank you.
More power to you and more healthy results to you. All
Yes,
right.
yes,
All right. Thank you so much, guys. Be healthy, be happy, and be unique.
yes. Thank you.